Know you've been a good friend, and that's through the thick and thin, and I know it's never gonna end, 'cause you've been a good friend.
Hi, welcome back to my channel, According to Kat. If you're new here, please introduce yourself in the comments below and welcome. If you're returning, just say hi. If you have not subscribed yet, I invite you to subscribe to my channel. I do DIYs on a budget using Dollar Tree products, items from the thrift store or a garage sale, as well as hauls, things like that. So if you hit that bell button, you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. So, what are we going to be doing today? Today, I'm going to be showing you the huge haul I got from Dollar Tree. If you see me looking to the right, it's because I want to make sure everything's in frame. So this is everything I bought, and I'm so excited to share it with you. I went yesterday. It's a pretty big Dollar Tree in my area. They did not have out the pumpkins and things like that, but I got what I could to start my fall DIYs. I know it's a little early, but I really want to start them so that when they start getting in the fall items, that you guys can take advantage of them and jump on top of them because they go really fast. So let's see what I got for you today. So the first thing I got is not a DIY, but I wanted to share it with you anyway. I got these hair elastics. These are my favorite hair elastics. They do not come out of your hair. They almost have like a rubber in them. I used to buy these like at I don't know, like CVS and Walgreens and things like that, and they were like $4. So when I saw them come into the Dollar Tree, I was beyond excited. So it's the ones that have the rubber on it. You can feel it. Oh my gosh, love. All right, I'm just gonna throw them to the side once I go through them. All right, so I got my sanding sponge, the one I like. I like the medium coarse grit one. So I love this. I got these rulers just to use in projects. I got these universal tool hooks. I have an idea to use with these and to hold a bar. I got these two. They're just cardboard, like little boxes. I like the shape of them, and I have an idea that I want to do something for fall with them. I got, wood numbers. I got this little box. It's one of those shadow boxes. I have an idea to do with that as well. And this one, again, I'm changing it, even though it is very cute. And don't throw away your insides. That's what I use on different projects. I will paint them and put them on boxes and things like that. So I never throw any of that away. I use it. I got 3 of these. It doesn't really matter which ones you choose again because I take out the insides anyway. So I picked something that there were 3 of, so I thought, oh, I can keep it black. It's one less step. I got these 2. I'm going to be changing them up. I'll be using them for a project, but that middle is a heavy cardboard piece. I will be using that and that for something just because I loved the shape of it. So that's why I picked this cardboard compared to other ones. I got these 2 placemats. I got this in the toy section. It is a motion spiral. So I guess you just put it around your wrist and you can like play with it, but I got it for a DIY. So I'm gonna see what it's like and I will let you know if we can use these in our DIYs. Never saw them before. I don't know if they're new or if I just missed them. I'm gonna try it, see what they do. I got 4 of these substantial frames, meaning that the outside is pretty thick, and they are 5x7s. I didn't really care what they look like. I just wanted them to be like a thicker outside. I got 3 of these candles. I have a DIY in mind for them. They're just the ones that are plain white. Let me get this out of the way. I got a mopping sponge mop tool and I am not going to use it as a mop, but I will be using the handle for an idea that I just fell. Sorry. Okay, later. I have stickers. I got the small ones as well as the, oh, bummed. I didn't notice that. I lost a sticker. See, you gotta check your stuff before you leave. Bummer. About 3 cents. Oh, see, the little things upset me. But I like the lowercase ones a lot. Oh well. All right, I got in the party section, it is like the wedding area, the favor set. And there's 3 little like metal buckets. And they're very small. I mean, you can see next to my hand, but I do have an idea for those. I got this round basket. I got 3 of these rectangle baskets, and I do have an idea for those. I never saw these before. I don't know if they're new or if I just missed them. I love the amber color of them. I think they will go great for fall DIYs. So I got 3 of those. I like to buy things in 3s. Unless I have an idea what I want to do with them, and then I might buy them in 4s. But I do buy things in 3s a lot. Just because I like things in odd numbers. I got 3 of these. And I do have an idea with those, and I bought 3 of the vanilla. And it wasn't so much for the smell, aroma, that it's vanilla. I just like the color of them for fall. I got 2 white ones. I also got, okay, these I'm most excited about out of everything I got. These jars are so cute for $1, and I'm gonna make them look like a lot more than $1. I love the shape of them. I love their glass, and they love the lid, and I can't believe these are $1. I got 2 of these buckets just because I like that they have handles. I like the shape of them. I like the size of them. I mean, I love the color. I don't mind the color at all. I'll probably change it in maybe one of them, but I think they're cute. Even if I don't use them for DIYs, these are good for storing things, and they're neutral, and I like them. I got 2 different plates. I got a pizza plate, and I got one of these chargers. It is like a plastic, but I like it. I have an idea for those. I have the 2 burner cover set tins. I mean, it doesn't matter which ones you get. I just got these. I have an idea for those. I got the cutting board. I was looking for the wood cutting boards, but never seemed to find those. So I just got this one. I have an idea for this. Okay, and these are my last objects here. I got this bucket with handles. I'm going to be doing something with this. Oh, actually 1 handle. It has 1 handle. All right, so in here for my florals. Okay. So I got these picks. And one has a pumpkin and one has a gourd, but I do believe I got 2 with the pumpkins and 1 with the gourd. And they have berries and fall leaves. You know how I love the Queen Anne's lace. I love them, and this is more of, I would say like a rust color. I love those. And I got those here. I got 3 of those. And it was funny when the lady was ringing them up, I saw like some of these like little pieces were like popping off, and I'm like, no girl. So I went over and I was like grabbing them off, like grabbing them so that I wouldn't lose them. I was like taking them, putting them in the bag. She's laughing. And I'm like, no, these, you can't lose these. I use every bit of it. All right, so I got those, and I love the Queen Anne's lace. I also got the Queen Anne's lace in this green. I got everything, I think, in 3s here. See, here's my little pieces that were coming off. Like, no, girl, I need those. So I'm gonna have to put them back on, find off where they fell off. Even when I was pulling them out of the display, I saw like pieces falling everywhere of everything. And I was like, so make sure you look through them so you know if you're missing something. I got these, which I thought the color was awesome. It's kind of like a maroon, a purplish maroon. I love those. Again, a piece that fell off while she was doing that. I got these. Oh, here's another one of those purplish maroons. Again, I buy things in 3s. Unless they didn't have 3, then it was what it was. Oh, here's that other pick that I got. I got it in this fire yellow. Love the color of those. I got these because I just thought, I don't know. I actually liked the colors in them. I don't know, I like those. I got the wheat. I got 2 of those. And I got more of that brownish yellow. They had a brown and they had a bright yellow, and then they had this brownish yellow. So that's the ones I got. And these I love. And believe me, these were falling off all over the place as well. They are mini pomegranates. I love those. So I got like a greenish brown and a reddish brown. There's 2 different types. So I kind of mixed them up. I don't really know what I'm going to do with them yet, but again, these were the ones that were falling off everywhere all over the floor as I was pulling them out. Some of them had like white showing, so I put those back. So make sure you know what you are getting when you are pulling these off. Okay, and I have little pieces in here that were falling. And then you can see the bucket better. So I'm gonna paint that, and I have an idea with that. There's only one of these. I don't know where, it was kind of in like an odd section. So I don't know if someone just took it and then put it down somewhere, so I don't even know where to find these. And that's it. And that's my whole haul. So I got a lot, and I have a lot of plans. Again, the only fall things I really saw were the flowers. I didn't get the pumpkins yet. My store didn't get the pumpkins yet, but that's okay. When they come out, I will grab them. So I could also check out another store, which will be fine. So if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps my channel. If you know anyone that would like to see what's at the Dollar Tree right now, please share this video with them. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. I appreciate that. And I am almost at 5,000 subs in 3.5 months, which is unbelievable. So thank you so much for that. When I hit 5,000, which might even be today, I don't know. When I hit 5,000, I'm gonna do a giveaway with you guys. So just to say thank you to everybody, and thanks for the encouraging words, and all of you out there that comment and are my cheerleaders. You guys are awesome. Thank you so much. And that's about it. So as always, thanks for watching. Bye.